Today's an exciting day. The new Power Pro 1-pump and 8-foot blades have arrived. So the old mud boat is getting an upgrade. We've been running the Power Pro Pro 2s for the last 3 years and they've been flawless. But rest assured, they have plenty of life left in them and we're actually moving them over to our bay boat. So I want to jump into the install and stay tuned.
Let's go! Countdown, welcome to the party! Let's go! We can go ahead and get it started! Let's go! Countdown, welcome to the party! Let the people say, la 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 la.
Now the fun begins.
La